My name's Andrew Wabacher with Wabacher Landscaping and Pools. I'm the owner of the company. We started in 1999. We primarily do a lot of hardscape, doing the retaining walls, patios, grading, seed, sod, a little bit of landscape design, pretty much everything but lawn mowing and maintenance. It seems like each year we get busier and busier with the pools, and those jobs are nice because we get the excavation, we get the pool, we get the landscaping, we get the seed, we get the sod. So kind of our primary focus now is the pools and retaining walls. The first 2 weeks of COVID, I think we had one call in 2 weeks. Usually we'll get numerous calls a day. And then the last, month or two, our phone's ringing off the hook. We probably did 4 or 5 pool jobs a day. Customers are realizing they're going to be stuck home this summer. They're not going on vacation, so they're using their vacation money and the money they saved up to kind of just stay at their own house. So, currently I think we're booked till about November 1st with pool installs. The current project today, we're doing a pool in Columbia, Illinois. The first day we'll do the excavation of the pool. We're getting ready to set the pool here with the telehandler. The second day we'll backfill the pool with the gravel. The third day we'll work on our plumbing, run our low voltage lights. Fourth day we'll finish backfilling, and then the fifth day the concrete guy will come in and pour. We start at 7. We'll get the trucks loaded up. I'll come out to the job site, get the guys going. I'll kind of supervise the job site most of the day, try to break away at 4 or 5 and look at a few jobs in the evenings and work on bids after that when I get home. Usually kind of long days, but with the shorter season, we usually work till Christmas and then fire back up March 1st. I've had multiple crews in the past. It didn't seem like we got that much more work done. I kind of like just focusing on one crew. We'll stay on one job site till we get that done, and then we can bounce to the next one pretty quick. And the guys are pretty efficient, they work long hours. I kind of look at it like, instead of paying an extra guy, 50, 60 grand a year, I could buy a Bobcat machine. It'll give me years and years of service, shows up every day. People are amazed, like, I'll be working for 4 to 6 hours and they're just amazed with what we can get done in that time period. In '99, I started with a 773 and then bought a T250, and then we've had a couple T300s. I've tried a couple other competitor brands and we've always came back just for the comfort. It's pretty operator friendly. I like the visibility, I like the power. We usually do the routine maintenance and we never really have any downtime with them. I'd say probably the favorite part is just that we get to do, we're never doing the same task every day. One day we might be doing a pool, the next day we may be doing grading, the next day we may be doing sod. So it's nice, it's not, I'm not sitting in an office every day. We're getting to be outside and getting to work on something, new scenery every day.